Okay, students, yesterday what we have discussed that how we can increase the friction. Yes, so this is a topic that we have discussed yesterday. Please open page number 151. Topic is 12.4, increasing and reducing friction. So yesterday we have done increasing, how we can increase the friction. So the first point by which we can increase the friction is by its roughness. Okay, if we increase, if the surface is having more roughness, then there will be more friction is acting on it. So in this way we can increase the friction. So the next is by drying the surface. You all know that while playing kabaddi, the player dry their hands with sand so that they can hold the other person easily. Okay, and there will be no such type of any type of slip na ho हाथ उनका. ठीक है, so there will be so by this method they can increase the friction. Okay, and the next is by the use of brake pads. Okay, while riding bicycle we apply brakes. Okay, so the friction can be increased by the use of the brake pads. Now next is the reducing friction. How we can reduce the friction? So what we can do to reduce friction so that there will be less friction between the two surfaces. The first point is by using lubricants. So here the point, what is the meaning of lubricant? First understand this. Lubricants. So what are the lubricants? The substances which reduce friction, means these substances which reduce friction. So we can use the lubricants to reduce the friction. Okay, so the first we can use lubricants, means for example oil and grease. Okay, what will happen? For example, it is a rough surface. Okay, if I apply oil or grease to it, that means lubrication, I have done the process of lubrication, then what will happen? These irregularities that are present over here will be filled. Okay, and now the surface become smooth. Okay, similarly the things happen when there is a soap water on the flow. Okay, similarly the soap water will make a film and make a layer over the surface. Therefore we slip over that surface. Okay, ये अपनी जो irregularities है वो ऑयल या ग्रीस की हेल्प से वो फिल हो जाती हैं पूरी पूरी. Okay, and then we get the smooth surface. Okay, so we can reduce the friction by the lubrication or by applying oil or grease, or by polishing also we can reduce the friction. And the concept that we have discussed yesterday, ball bearings. You all remember that there are ball bearings, there are balls, and the point of contact is very small, so the friction can be decreased by the use of these ball bearings. Okay, if there are no ball bearings, then there will be more friction. Okay, and there will be also production of heat. Clear? So on page number, there are so many examples that are given on your book, that we sprinkle the powder while playing carom. Okay, by which what will happen? By that powder, that talc. Okay, what will happen? The surface of the carom that has irregularities now are filled with that fine powder. Okay, so there it is very easy to strike over any जब हम खेलते हैं तो, and it will easily move over the surface. Okay, and next is the oil is given to the hinges of the door. आपने सुना होगा कि जब डोर जो है उसमें से थोड़ी सी आवाज आने लग जाती है, it start producing sound. So if we give oil to it, then it will move smoothly. Clear? So, and other machines, we also grease the other machines. For example, we give lubricants to the bicycle or any motor machine, okay, by which there is decrease in the wear and tear of the parts of the that machine. Okay, वो ज़्यादा घिसता नहीं है. Clear? And so the machine will run smoothly. Clear? नहीं तो बहुत ज़्यादा अगर friction होगी तो wear and tear होने लग जाएगा, and it will also produce heat. To reduce that, we can apply grease or oil to the machines. Clear? Now next is the example given is, in all that we have discussed, in all the above cases we want to reduce the friction in order to increase its efficiency, okay, so that we can use it for more time. Okay, so the next, we please underline this, the para below the figure 12.12. When oil and grease or graphite is applied between the, graphite is a form of carbon. Okay, you will study it in the next class. You all know what is oil and grease. So graphite is a form of carbon. Okay, so is applied between the moving parts of a machine, a thin layer is formed. Okay, a thin layer is formed there, and moving surfaces do not directly rub each other. That I have told you, that the rough surface that is there, now a layer is formed. Okay, so if there is any object, if I place it over here, then there will be decrease in the irregularities. So means there is decrease in the friction. Clear? And the movement of this box will be very easy and it will be very smooth. Clear? So the substances that we use it are called the lubricants to reduce the friction. Okay, clear? Some machines don't use lubricants, so there are air cushions are there that are used to reduce the friction. Clear? Next is on page number 152. Can we reduce friction to zero? That I have already discussed, that friction we can't reduce the friction to zero. We can decrease its effect, but not to zero. It is not possible. So perfectly smooth surface is not there. Okay. Friction can never be entirely eliminated. Underline this purple box. Friction can never be entirely eliminated. No surface is perfectly smooth. Some irregularities are always there. Yeah, so it is important. Underline this. Done. So next is 12.5, that wheels reduce friction. This is the concept that we have done yesterday. Okay, when we have discussed the types of friction. We also compare the sliding friction. So what is in static, sliding, rolling, which is more? Can anyone tell me? Yes, Jay. Can you tell me in sliding, static, and rolling, which is friction is more? In which case? Ma'am, please unmute Arush. So yes, bache, which will be more in these three?
Ma'am, I can't find Arush. उसको बोलो hand raise करे.
Ma'am, it is written Kanda Arush.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
speak
Ma'am,
out.
Ma'am, static force is the greatest.
Yes, the static friction. Okay, static friction is larger than these, and then sliding friction, and at the last it is rolling friction. Clear? It is very important. I am repeating again. In this, the object is at rest, so there are so many irregularities by which there is a interlocking is very large. Okay, so in the sliding, in the case of sliding, one body will slide over the surface of another. Okay, and there will be less time for interlocking. Okay, by which the sliding friction is less than the static friction. In the case of rolling, it is very much less because the area of contact is very less. Okay, and the rolling also reduces the friction. Clear? Now next we will move to the, we have also done the activity 12.4 for this topic. Now next we will proceed to the fluid friction, that is topic 12.6. Fluid friction. It is very easy to understand the friction that acts in fluid. Okay, so firstly understand what is fluid. Clear? There is liquid and gases, you all know that. Okay, so these gases and liquids are called by a common name. Okay, means it is fluid. Okay, so if anyone asks you what is fluid, then you will say that it includes both liquid and gases. Okay, the fluid not only contains the liquid. Clear? The fluid contains the liquid as well as gases. It is a common name that is given to these two. Clear? So the liquid will also, there is it also exert friction, and gases also exert friction. So the friction that is related to the liquid and gases fall under the category of fluid friction. Clear? So please underline it. There is written in bold, in science a common name of gases and liquids is fluid. Clear? Now, so what is there? We all know that air is very light and thin, yet it exerts a frictional force on any object. Similarly, liquid or water will also exert pressure, will also exert some friction. Yes, Nishka, there is any doubt? Okay, so the next is, so we can say that the fluids exert force of friction. Okay, so for example, there is any object in the liquid, then the liquid will also try to resist its oppose its motion. Okay, if for example in swimming, while doing swimming, there is also a force of friction that is acting on us. Okay, that is exerted by the liquid. You have noted that कभी कभी बहुत ज्यादा wind चल रही होती है, air चल रही होती है, so if a person is riding bicycle and जो air है वो इस तरफ से ज्यादा आ रही है, and then it will push the bicycle in the opposite direction. So therefore you have to apply more force and more paddling you have to do. Clear? So that you can cross or go into the and you will move. Okay, you have noted that it is very common. If you have not observed that, you can try it once. Okay, therefore the friction will, the air will exert some friction to you, that to the bicycle, the wheel of the bicycles, and your motion will be slow down. Clear? So the next is, there is given in yellow box the frictional force exerted by fluid. It is the other name of fluid friction. We also call it as drag. Okay? Drag. Its other name. Okay, so the frictional force exerted by fluid. I have told you the friction that is exerted by fluid is called friction or drag. It is also called drag. Clear? So now, on which factors these fluid friction depends? It depends upon, please write it or underline it on your notebook. Oh, sorry, book. It depends upon the speed that with how much speed the object is moving. And next, shape. What is the shape of the object? And then the nature of the fluid. Nature of fluid. Okay? It is the shape of the object. Clear? So, which type of liquid it is or a fluid it is. Clear? So, when any object will move through these fluids, there is a friction is acting on it. Okay? So, the object have to overcome the force of friction. Only that it will move, otherwise it will not move. That we have already discussed in the case of solids. Okay? So, for example, you have all seen that aeroplanes are given in this shape. Yes, and why? There is a shape called streamline shape, which is, the thickness is more at the center and it is less at the ends. So this shape is called the streamline shape. Streamline shape. Clear? So you all have seen that. Can you give an example where there is a use of streamline shape? Yes. Yashpreet. May please unmute Yashpreet. Yes, birds. Very good. The shape of birds is a streamline shape. And other example?
Fish.
Yes, fish. So the shape of fish is also like this. Okay, it is streamline. In the same way, birds, the shape of birds is also like streamline. So we got the idea of making the shape of the object from the nature. Okay, so aeroplanes are made in this shape by the idea that is given by nature. जैसे कि birds fly करते हैं, ठीक है? So their shape is streamline. Okay, so they can cut the friction. Okay, so they will move towards the air. Okay, by cutting it. उसको जो air को है वो उसके opposite direction में भी move कर सकता है because of this shape. Okay, in this way they move. Clear? So it will reduce the friction. If it is in this shape, then it will not. It is possible. Can anyone tell me? Sahaj? If the planes are made in this direction, there will be less friction or more friction? Yes, please repeat your answer.
Less friction.
In this way, there will be less friction. If we made the shape of aeroplane in this way, then there will be less friction. No, but it is wrong. There will be more friction that will act over it. So the aeroplane can't oppose the friction of the air that is acting on it. So its shape is always made in the streamlined way. Clear? You have also seen the sports car are also made in this shape, and submarines, boats that are used in the previous times, the boats are also made in this way so that it can decrease the friction. Clear? Now next is, in the next para, it is obvious that when objects move through liquids, they have to overcome friction acting on them. In this process, they lose energy. If there will be more friction that is acting on it, so means there will be more energy. There is loss of energy that will take place. Okay, so we have done what we have done to reduce the friction. The scientists have changed the shape, and from where they get the idea? And they get the idea from the nature, that is the birds and fishes. Okay, because they always move into these fluids. Okay, clear? So their bodies must have evolved to shapes which would make them loss of less energy. Okay, उसमें energy क्या होगी? Less होगी. Loss जो energy, there will be less loss of energy. Okay, and also the object will overcome the friction. Clear? There are so many vehicles that are made in this way. Ships, sport cars, aeroplanes, submarines are made in streamlined shape. Okay, so what is the streamlined shape? That is thicker at the middle and thinner at the area is less here. Clear? So the chapter is completed. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Please raise your hand so that ma'am can unmute you. Yes, Manjot. Ma'am, please unmute Manjot. Ma'am, you can unmute all the students now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Mani ma'am, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am, done. Yes, बच्चे Manjot.
मैम मैं डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था मैम, एक बार दोबारा समझा दो मैम, जो आपने लास्ट में करवाया था.
Streamline flow.
यस मैम.
Okay, so what happens? The scientists made the shape of the object in the streamline shape. Okay, so that there will be less friction and there will be less loss of energy. Clear? So they get the idea of this shape from the birds and the fishes. Okay, because वो तो हमेशा पानी में और हवा में ही रहते हैं. ठीक है? So the best shape is the streamlined shape. Therefore, the aeroplanes, submarines, boats are made in this shape. Okay, by this shape, we will reduce the friction and there will be also the less loss of energy will take place. Clear?
Yes,
Next.
ma'am.
Yes, Arush, there is any doubt?
No.
Okay, now students, please come to the back exercise. Fill in the blanks on page number 155. There is one important message before starting the exercise part, that you will send me notes of the next chapter today. Okay, you can send me by 1 p.m. Clear? That is, I think the chapter is synthetic fiber and fabric. Please kindly check the notes that you have completed all the notes. You have solved all the answers. Clear?
Ma'am,
And
only chapter.
yes, only question answers were there of this chapter. There is no need to write any back exercise blanks on your notebook. MCQs, there is no need to write it. Only solve the answers. Okay. So next, we will proceed to the exercise part. The first is fill in the blanks. Only that student will unmute whom I ask. Okay. So the first A part is friction opposes the dash between the surfaces in contact with each other. Yes, Nishka.
Relative motion.
Relative motion. So the first answer is the relative motion. Now next is friction depends on the dash of surfaces. Deepak, friction depends upon dash of surfaces. I think he is not physically present here.
Ma'am,
Yes, bache.
ma'am, irregularity.
Nature. By the nature of the surfaces. Good.
Nature.
Yes, very
Ma'am,
good,
yeah,
bache.
ma'am,
Please mute yourself now. Yes.
मैम
Yes,
या मैम
बच्चे।
इरेगुलरिटीज नहीं आ सकता मैम उस पर ही डिपेंड करेगा मैम वो स्मूथ है या रफ है
बच्चे it is about the surfaces. Okay, वो surface चाहे smooth हो चाहे irregular हो. It is not asked, but सिर्फ उसके जो nature है, that will, the irregularity smooth or rough, it will come after the nature. Okay, it is a part of that nature. So there is an appropriate word that you can use as nature. Clear? So then friction produces dash. Jannat, friction produces dash. We have done.
Ma'am, heat.
Yes, very good. Next is sprinkling of powder on the carom board dash friction. We have done it today. Yes, Diksha. On sprinkling powder on the carom board, it will dash friction.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
It will reduce the friction. Okay, we have done today that there will be decrease in the friction. Now the next is sliding friction is dash than the static friction. Static, yes, bache. Mahib.
Ma'am, smaller.
Yes, the sliding friction is smaller than, or you can also write less than. Okay. Smaller than or less than. You can write anything. Smaller or less. Okay. So next is 4 children were asked to arrange forces due to rolling, static, sliding, friction in decreasing order. Decreasing means from high to low. Okay. Just remember this thing. In decreasing order, their arrangement are given below. Choose the correct arrangement. Yes, Jannat. Yes, Harjeet. Just 1 minute. Jannat, you will answer the next answer. You will give the next answer, Harjeet.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, what will be the answer, bache?
Ma'am, C part, static,
Yes.
sliding and rolling.
Yes, very good. So the static, there will be, the answer is C part. Static will be high and then sliding, then the less friction in rolling friction. Next, Jannat, you will answer this. Alida runs her toy car on a dry marble floor, wet marble floor, newspaper and towel. Okay, 4 things are there. Okay. Spread on the floor, the force of friction acting on the floor on different surfaces in increasing order. That means you will go low to high. Low to high means के किसमें सबसे ज्यादा कम जो जिसमें लगेगी उसको पहले लिखना है, जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा फ्रिक्शन लगेगी उसको बाद में लिखना है. Can you tell me the correct order?
Ma'am, A.
Yes, the friction will be less in wet marble floor than dry marble floor, then newspaper, and it will be high in the case of towel. So the answer of third is A, and the answer of second is C part. Okay. Now next is, suppose your writing desk is tilted a little, a book kept on it starts sliding down. Show the direction of frictional force acting on it. So please understand this concept. Now the book is placed over a sliding surface in this way. It is a sliding surface and there is a book. Okay, and the book, obviously it will slide and then it will come down. Okay, so the book moving downward direction. Okay, it will move to the downward direction in this way. And you have to tell the force of the direction of force of friction. It will act if the book is coming down, then what will be the direction of frictional force?
Ma'am, upwards.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Upwards.
upwards. The force of friction will
Reaction
act
opposite to that of sliding book.
upwards. That means it is always opposite and it will always act to opposite to the direction of motion. Okay, it is coming downwards and the friction will be in the upward direction. So what we can conclude from it, then when a book slide over the surface or any writing desk, what will happen? A frictional force will act between this surface and the book. Clear? There will be a frictional force. Okay, and then the direction of friction is opposite to the direction of motion of the book. Okay, and it will act in the upward direction. Clear? You have to draw this diagram. It will be more easy to understand you by this drawing this diagram. Clear? You can draw this on your notebook and then you can explain it. Now I'm reading the question number 5. You spill a bucket of soapy water on a marble floor accidentally. Would it make it easier or more difficult for you to walk on the floor? Why? Can anyone tell me if there will be soapy water on the floor? It is easy for you to walk over that surface?
No.
Yes, it is
No,
not.
it is difficult.
Yes, Manjot, can you explain why?
Difficult.
For example,
Ma'am,
it
first
is.
part.
Yes.
Ma'am, first part का पता था आंसर.
Okay, it's okay, बच्चे. Can
Ma'am,
anyone tell me? Yes,
ma'am,
बच्चे.
the layer of top
Ma'am.
makes the
Ma'am, because
floor,
friction will be
due to
less.
which friction will be less.
Friction will be less and
Difficult to
soapy
walk
water
on that surface.
One by one, बच्चे. Dear students, one by one. Yes, Arush, you can give the answer.
Ma'am, it will reduce the friction and the floor will become slippery. Thus, it will make difficult to walk on the floor.
Yes, very good. So we can only walk due to the friction. Okay, there is a friction that is acting between our feet and the ground. So therefore, we can only able to walk. Okay, if there is a soapy water, then what will happen? If there is a soapy water on the marble floor, it is difficult for us to walk. And the question is why? So what will will happen? The layer of the soap that is over the surface of the floor, it will reduce the friction. Okay, and we cannot make a proper grip to the floor. Our feet are not properly, did not get any grip from the floor. So therefore we start getting slip. Clear? So firstly you have to write that the first point will be that you want there will be need of friction to walk. Okay, so next you will answer no, we can't walk on a soapy marble floor. Then you will answer why. Clear? In this way you will write the answer. Clear? In this question also, there is a force of friction. Firstly, you will tell there is a force of friction that is acting between the surface and the book. Okay, so the book is coming downward direction. It is slipping from, it will slide from the surface. And then the direction of friction force will be opposite. And the direction of friction force is in the upward direction. Clear? In this way, you will write the answer in short. You have to write the answer in points, but in exam, you will make a proper sentence. Clear? Now next is, so both questions are clear to you? If there is any doubt, you can ask me. We will discuss this question again. Okay, now as there are no doubts, so next question number 6. Explain why sportsmen use shoes with spikes. The shoes, it contains spikes in this way. What is the use of this? It will provide a friction. Okay, so the player will not slip over the surface of ground.